you are going to want one of these little dudes. You can buy a kit, or actually a pack of them. Where are they at? There they are. Like that, from Harbor Freight. Right there. And the reason is so that when you start to taking them off and putting them on, you don't have to keep taking your wrench on and off, or hold your finger on the end of it, you know. And you can get them down pretty close and then turn around. You're going to want a long one of these, okay, a 15 millimeter. This is some of my old tools from, God almighty, the 90s, 92, 93, something like that. And I've kept them in good shape. Jim Burke Automotive, that's where I worked. Me and a friend of mine, Jason Harris. But you want some of these. This is the way to go. Because you only got like an inch and a half, and then the gear on this, you just get it down and then come back and tighten it with this. And I'm not going to worry about torque specs. And the reason for that is because it's got that steel spacer. It has a steel spacer. It's got the flex plate and the steel spacer, okay? And I'm pretty sure that I got at least 24 plus pounds of pull on my arm, no problem. Plus I've done it enough, I know pretty close to where I'm going to be. Not these flywheels or flex plates. I've done a few of those, but torquing stuff down, I know. So there you go, guys. It ain't that difficult. You're actually going to need some of these right here. You can buy these at Harbor Freight, and they work really well. And you're going to have to get one of these long ones right here, or a short one, and just do it one bolt at a time. I can do 4 bolts with this one right here, and it's great. You stick a screwdriver in a torque converter bolt hole and let it brace against the block. I'll show you in a little while. Alright, peace. Actually, I got a lining pin pick thing.